Thank you for joining this tutorial for the yoga class. It is very important for us to keep circulation during such a pandemic. We gotta keep moving, the blood circulation gotta be strong for us to fight off this coronavirus. So the first move I want to show you is the pelvis circulation. So what you want to do is shake it side to side, and it needs to increase speed. It needs to go from like side to side, and you want to move your arms too, because coronavirus can enter through your arms too. And you want to go faster and faster and faster and faster. Thank you for your subscription. And the third squat is called the S squat. And this S squat requires a slithering motion. And you want to hold on to something like a yoga roller to maintain your balance and create